Mandalorian. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Hi, sexy girl. Hi, Jonathan Sleepe. Hi, Dojo Sleepe. Is that correct pronunciation? It's Sleepe. Have a good evening to you. Wow, thank you so much, Mandalorian. Wow, thank you so much, Jonathan Sleepe. I really appreciate your gift, guys. I hope that you guys have a good day. Thank you, Mandalorian. I don't know how to read your comment, but I try my best to translator. Okay, so you're saying that have a good evening to you. You too, Mandalorian. And if it's okay, if I'm gonna ask you where you from, Mr. Mandalorian. Where you from, sir? Sir. That's hello.
Fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I
And a
just
fire for you. Last night you called on us now. Would you? Now the head, it's too late. Never be the same again. It's too late. Never be the same. Ah, you're from Russia. Wow. I think you're very handsome because you're from Russia. All the people from Russia is very gorgeous. Wala na pong gas. Hindi na po siya umandor. Hi, Ryan. Good evening, Ryan. Hindi na ako makapag-gaste. Ang mahal ng gas. Hi, Paras. Good evening. Yes. That's that. Would you? On a hat, it's too late. Never beat. Paldo, good evening, Paldo. Hi, Maparas. Love ko. Good morning, love ko. Good evening, love ko. Paldo, I never hello. Never did the same again. It's too late. Hanggang ano oras kaya itong pagka-hyper ko? Sana naman ay umabot hanggang alas 11 or alas 10. Ano ba bukas? Biyernes? Aray mo. Manok, anong ginagawa mo, Manok? Panindigan mo, Manok, yung pagtambay mo sa live ko. Last night, you called on Max then. Would you? How many had it's too late. Never be the same again. Nagkakape ate. Anong kape mo? 3-in-1 or ano? Yung black coffee lang? Be, panindigan din ka.